Hello, everyone.
Hi guys, welcome back.
Welcome, welcome. How are you today?
I hope you are doing well. Maybe you are relaxing or cooking or driving.
Or maybe you are just listening and learning English with us.
That's perfect. That's the best way to learn.
Yes, slowly, step by step.
Today we have a very useful topic.
Yes, today we will practice everyday small talk.
Small talk is very important.
Very important. People use small talk every day.
At work, at school, with friends, even with strangers.
Yes, sometimes in the elevator too.
Oh yes, elevator talk.
Before we start, please like this video.
And subscribe to the channel if you want to practice English every day.
We make simple, clear, and useful English for you.
Okay, let's begin.
Donna, what is small talk?
Good question. Small talk is short, simple conversation.
Yes, not deep, not serious.
Just friendly talking.
For example, you meet someone and say,
Hi, how are you?
yes, that is small talk. Let's say it slowly.
How are you? Again.
How are you? Let's practice greetings.
Very important for small talk.
Hi,
Hello.
good morning,
Good afternoon.
good evening, good morning,
Good morning.
good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Sometimes I say good morning at night.
That's okay, it happens. Now, very important question.
Yes, everyone asks this. How are you?
Donna, how are you?
I'm good.
Simple and perfect. You can also say, I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm great.
Or, I'm tired. Yes, very real answer. I'm good, I'm fine, I'm okay, I'm great.
After you answer, ask back.
Very important.
How are you?
I'm good. How about you? Slowly, how about you?
Now, let's talk about your day.
Yes, very common small talk.
How is your day?
It's good.
Or,
It's busy.
or,
It's slow.
Donna, how is your day?
It's busy.
Busy? Why?
Because I talk to you all day.
Oh, wow, that is hard work. Another small talk topic.
The weather.
It's sunny.
It's raining.
It's cold.
It's hot.
It's sunny.
It's raining.
It's cold.
It's hot. I like sunny weather.
Me too. I don't like rain.
Really? I like rain.
Oh, we are different. Now, let's talk about weekend.
Very common question. What did you do this weekend?
Donna, what did you do this weekend?
I stayed at home.
Nice.
You can say, I watched TV. I went out. I slept a lot.
I stayed at home. I watched TV. I went out.
Let's have a real conversation.
Hi, Donna.
Hi, Wilbert.
How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good too. How is your day?
It's good.
What did you do this weekend?
I watched a movie.
Oh, nice.
What about you?
I slept a lot.
Again?
Yes, I love sleep. Now, your turn.
Answer this question. How are you?
Good.
Very good.
Now say, what did you do this weekend?
Great job today. You are improving your English.
Slowly, step by step.
Keep practicing every day.
Now tell us in the comments,
What did you do this weekend?
We want to read your answers.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.